This video is sponsored by WonderFox Soft. In this video, I will be reviewing Recovery Fox AI tool. WonderFox Soft reached out to me to do this review and they also provided me with the license key for the tool. They don't have any influence on this review and I will be giving my personal opinion about the tool. So the first thing you need to do is download Recovery Fox AI tool. So for that, go to internet and search for Recovery Fox AI. And then click on this link wonderfoxrecovery.com. This will open up the page for Recovery Fox AI tool. So click on the pricing option and then here you can check all the pricing and plans for this tool. If you see just below the pricing plans, it's mentioned that the unregistered version allows you to scan and preview your data for free. So you can see what's recoverable before deciding to purchase. So what this means is using the free version, you will be able to scan and preview the data, but you won't be able to recover the file. So in order to recover the file, you will have to purchase one of the paid versions. Then if you scroll down, you can check the software and hardware requirements. So this tool supports all the Windows client operating systems from Windows 7 to Windows 11 and all the Windows Server operating systems. It also supports all the common file systems. It requires minimum 4 GB of RAM and 1 GB of hard disk space. And then once this is done, you can scroll up and download the tool. You can click on this free download option and then it will start the download of installer file. Once the installer file is downloaded, you can run the installer. You will get this setup wizard screen. You can click next, then click on I agree, then select the folder where you want to install this tool and then click install. And then the installation will start. So installation of the tool is very simple. You can just follow the instructions on this window and complete the installation. So I'm not going to click on install because I've already installed this tool. So I'll cancel the setup. And once the installation is completed, you will get this icon called Recovery Fox AI on your desktop. So then double click the icon and open this tool. As soon as you open this tool, you get this home page which shows all the drives that are connected to this system. C and D are the local drives and E drive is the USB drive that I have attached to this system. And on the right hand side, you get this quick access panel where you have links for desktop and recycle bin. So in this demo video, what I am going to do is I have a USB drive attached. I'm going to delete a file from the USB drive and then I'll try to recover the same file. So let me go to the USB drive and I currently have two PDF files on this USB drive. So I'm going to delete one of these files. So let me delete this file form x.pdf. So the file is deleted from USB drive. Now let me go to the Recovery Fox AI tool and I'll click on Start Scan for E drive. So the moment I click on Start Scan, it will start to scan the USB drive and find out the deleted files that could be recovered. And now it says quick scan is completed and it will proceed with AI scan. So there are two types of scan, quick scan and AI scan. AI scan will do a deeper search for the files. As you could see, quick scan has detected one file, whereas AI scan is still in progress. At the bottom, we can see the scan progress. Now, since I'm trying to restore just a single file and I could see under quick scan, one file is detected. So most probably that file is detected under quick scan option. So what you can do, you can pause AI scanning. And after pausing AI scan, you can click on quick scan and check if the required file is detected or not. I have selected quick scan and I could see form x.pdf. There's the same file that I deleted from USB drive. So I do not need to do AI scan here because I have the required file under quick scan. But if you're not able to see the required file under quick scan, then you can proceed for the AI scan and let the AI scan get completed. AI scanning will take some time to complete, so you'll have to wait for a few minutes till it is completed. In this case, I'm not proceeding for AI scan because I have the required file here. So now I'll show you how to restore detected file. So select the file and click on the option recover at the bottom. Now it will ask you to select a location for recovered files. So I've already created a folder to save recovered files. So let me navigate to that folder. So select the folder and then click OK. And then it will start to recover the files in that folder. Now it says recovery is completed. One file is recovered and it's asking me if I wish to view recovered files. So let me click OK and it will take me to the recovery folder. So as you could see, we first see the drive name from which the file was recovered. Then we can see that file was recovered under quick scan. And then I could see my file formx.pdf. So this way you can recover the deleted file. Now I'll show you some more points about this tool. So as you could see here at the top, we have a search box. So let's say there are a number of files which are detected and you know the name of the file, then you can search for the name of the file in this search box. We could also see here the option as file type. So if I click on file type, it will sort all the detected files with respect to the type of the file. So if I click on document, it will show me PDF, XML, PowerPoint, DocX files. If I click on photo, it will show JPG, PNG. Archives will show me the zip files, etc. So this is also a very useful option because if you want to restore multiple files of the same type, then you can go to this option and check if the required files are detected or not. Then if you click on these three lines at the top and if you go to the about option, then it shows you the version of the tool and then it also shows you whether you're using a paid version or the free version. If you click on this small gear icon which corresponds to settings, then you will have these four options here. The first two options are selected by default. So the first one is skip empty space so that it will skip scanning any unwritten disk space. Then skip temporary files, so it will not scan temporary files. Then skip contained files in archives. So it will skip scanning any files that are part of archive files and then skip embedded subfiles. So if you want, you can select these options. I have kept the default options, which are the first two options. If you click on this small chat like symbol here, then you get this help page. So you get number of options related to the tool. If you click on the product manual option, it shows you the product manual for this tool. So if you want to know more about this tool, you can check this product manual. If you want to check the latest updates for this tool, then click on what's new and it will show you the current version of the tool, the release date, and it would also give you the option to download the new version. We also have the option to install the tool and also to retrieve lost license code. So there are a number of options on this help page. Once the restoration is done, you can click on back option. It says currently scanned results will be lost. So again, click on back and it will take you to the home page. So this way you can use this tool to scan deleted files and restore them. I found this tool to be very useful and the main point about this tool is that it's ease of use. We have three simple steps. Select the location, start the scanning, recover the files from the scanned results. This tool also recovers files from formatted drives. So I would highly recommend this tool for recovering any of the deleted files and folders. If you found this information useful, then please subscribe to IT tutorials. Thank you.